My colleague Jaskirat Singh Bawa, who's been reporting on the story, joins us live for perspective on what are the future legal recourse that the LGBT community and the movement can actually resort to after this blow from the courts today. Jaskirat, can you break it down to us, give us modalities? Now, at one point, if the review petition has been turned down, how much success will a curative petition actually see in court, and what are the other legal options?
Statistically speaking, curative petitions don't have a very high success rate. In fact, they don't have much of a success rate at all at the Supreme Court. In fact, it was an exception today where we saw Devindra Singh Bohra's curative petition actually being admitted, but that had a whole different story altogether. So the LGBT community, via their lawyers, especially Anand Grover, who is representing NAS Foundation, which has been at the forefront of fighting for the LGBT right and against Section 377, they are quite sure that they will be filing a curative petition. However, they're also very sure that in case the curative petition also gets dismissed, which is more than likely, statistically speaking, it is what it happens, then in that case the pressure needs to be built on the lawmakers to try and bring in an amendment very similar to the amendments that were brought in the aftermath of the December 16th gang rape protest, an amendment to be brought in via the parliament to try and modify Section 377 of the IPC so that at least the anti-homosexual part of that section, IPC, which criminalizes homosexual activity, that can be done away with. But with just a very small session in February to be held, and with already a complete packed agenda of the House before the government ends its tenure, it is very unlikely that the government will in fact be able to move the legislative approach. So we have to see whether the government itself will also be filing a curative petition in the Supreme Court in the next 1 month or so.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Jaskirat. We'll of course keep coming back to you for further updates on the story. Time now for us to shift into breaking news that we are just getting.